Alrighty, so here's my honest thoughts of ThriveCart. Paul, thanks for the question. I figured this is way easier to tell you what I think via video. So here we go. ThriveCart is a cart platform, kind of a competitor to Samcart. Not kind of, it is. It's one of the main reasons I joined up was because at the moment you can still get a lifetime license to it. So, if you sign up for Samcart or something, I think it's $100 a month. So obviously a lifetime, I think it's $6.95. At the moment, it's like a notify thing. But if you use my link, which I'll drop in below the video, which is an affiliate link, it'll bypass, and I think it's $5.95 for life, which is 6 months worth on any other platform, and this is probably something you're going to use forever, or it should be. So this was specifically a question for maintenance plans, recurring subscriptions for maintenance plans, but really you can do this with anything. The way I've done it with maintenance plans is pretty simple. It's just a checkout page, and then it tags them in ActiveCampaign, which we use to follow up an email sequence. And that's kind of the beauty of ThriveCart, is it integrates pretty well with a lot of of course payment gateways, but also CRMs and autoresponders and membership platforms, which I haven't really used, but I know a lot of people are using ThriveCart for membership. So I'll show you in the back end and some of the issues that I've got with it and where I think they're going. So we've recently started switching one of our software products to it, which is Chimpery Writer. Don't judge me, it's a old SEO product now. But so we've started using it for some of our transactions, and these are like all the products we've got set up. So what the first thing I liked about it was just how crazy easy it was to set up a product. So you can go in here and give it a name or whatever, and what kind of payment gateways. So you can use Apple Pay and all this sort of stuff. We're only using Stripe at the moment. Apparently you get a higher conversion rate if you add PayPal as well. You just say it's a subscription for this much a year, quantity unlimited, and then you have like thank you pages, and it's pretty standard. Most carts are like this. They handle sales tax really well. So you set up your address, and for us it adds GST to all the Australian purchases automatically, which is good. Apparently this was a really big mess around for them to build. Then you've got other cool things like if you wanted to use upsells and cross-sells and stuff, a bump is where they can basically click one checkbox to add something to their order. I'm not really using it for any of those features, but it's kind of like a marketer's dream in that sense, where they've got the one-click bump offer, one-click upsells, and all these different ways to add more money to your sale, basically. And then, so you create a pricing page really easily, and you basically just get a URL. So this is our existing pricing page on this tool, and all I did was change the link on this button. So you click that, and now you come straight to the ThriveCart URL, and this took me like 2 seconds to set up. You can put your testimonials in there, which are really good to have on the checkout page, and it's calculated the tax. It's got everything you need there. It's got the 2-step checkout. It's got coupons built in, so it's very good to get up and running quickly. That's why I liked it. So you can do all different kinds of checkouts. So you can embed one on your existing website if you don't want to have to redirect to another URL like that. 2-step apparently has higher conversion rates. I haven't tested it, that's why I've done it. Or you can have it all on one page, or you can do the pop-up thing. So it's got quite a lot of options, which I dig. And this is where you set up some rules. So for us, it's only ActiveCampaign. So basically say when someone adds a product, I want to tag them. When they buy a product, they get tagged as something in ActiveCampaign. But you can also do things like with your other, I haven't got anything set up, but you can set up memberships and stuff for people in some of their integrations. So out of the box, it's got all these different membership platforms that it'll integrate with, so you can add people into memberships based on what they've purchased in ThriveCart, which is cool. And autoresponders, it's got pretty much all the major ones that you'd want there. We are only using ActiveCampaign. But yeah, webinars, fulfillments, none of this stuff really matters to me at this point. So it's probably not a big deal for maintenance plans either. But these are like marketers things. But that's the beauty of this, is once you've got an account, you can use this for all kinds of stuff later. That's why I've got 2 accounts, one for our web design business and one for our software. Just because it's already paid for itself. Zapier integration is good, so then you can send transactional data to Zapier and then out to other places via webhooks. Now this leads me to one of the first issues I've got with ThriveCart, is I think their webhook format is just, it kind of sucks, and the documentation sucks. It took me quite a while to get all the webhooks sorted, because sometimes like the format's different every time. Like I've integrated with PayPal and ClickBank and a bunch of other ones, and the format was all there, really easy to understand, and I could say, oh look, if it's order.success or whatever, then give them a license. Otherwise, if it's a refund, cancel it. But I felt like every time, the product name was in a different URL, in a different data variable. And so I'd be like, why is this license not deactivating when they request a refund or whatever? And I'd go in and I'd find that instead of like product brackets 1, it was just product equals. And I was like, man, so that frustrated the crap out of me. It only really matters if you're doing a lot of webhook based work. And that's still like that. They can't really change that now because they break all their existing integration with webhook integrations. So that was kind of annoying. I'll go back to positives for now. So the other 2 things are coupons built in, which is awesome. The ability to create coupons for either fixed discount or percentage, lock down usage of it, apply it only to some products, and actually tag people if they use that coupon. And you can also, through the affiliate system, that's what I love, is that this has got affiliates built in, which is amazing. You can tie coupons to affiliates. So you give your certain affiliate a coupon code, and then they can, like if someone uses that, it gets credited to that affiliate automatically, which is very cool. So, I mean, yeah, standard affiliate system. I'm going to have to block that out, damn it. Yeah, I mean, what you'd expect. Affiliates sign up, you can add them. You have to create rules, actually, because if you have multiple products, this is kind of a pain in the butt. So an affiliate signs up to product 1, we have to automatically add them to this product, and to this product, and to this product, and to this product. Like, so every product we have, every option, because they have to be part of each one, which, I don't know, that's kind of annoying. But it works now, so it's all right. So yeah, they're all the different products we had to have, and so you've got if someone signs up just for this one with the sign up URL here, and the rules sign them up to the rest. And it does the payouts automatically, which is awesome. So you don't have to. Like, I used to have a reminder to go in every month and pay people, and this just does it all automatically. So that is awesome. Okay, so a couple of things it doesn't do. Back to that. Which I know they're actively working on. So I'm going to, say that first. At the moment, you'll know, where's that product page? So this is just for one thing. If you want to buy more than one of these things, so for example, if you're doing maintenance stuff, you might have, I don't know, so for us, we've got maintenance plans, but some of them don't allow for additional tasks to be added on top. It's not an unlimited plan, so they can't just request changes to their website. On the bottom plan, they have to buy individual tasks, so it might be like $59. And ThriveCart doesn't really allow you to do that. There's no quantity, so they just have to be able to buy one at a time, and which is a pain in the ass. So that is coming, though. I know that is coming because I've talked about it in the Facebook group. So that's one of the big positives of this is they've got a Facebook group where they see what people are saying and they actually follow through on their promises. They're actively developing it, and to get that level of commitment with a lifetime deal is pretty awesome to me. So the other big thing that it's missing, which I believe is coming soon, is dunning management, managing credit cards. So if someone's credit card's going to expire, what happens? At the moment in ThriveCart, pretty much the only way to do that is get them on the phone and type in their credit card. So the way we've got around that is a tool called Stunning, which is a very basic tool, really. It's not doing it basically does dunning management for Stripe. It's as simple as that. It's fairly expensive for what it is, I feel, like $50 a month. But, you know, if you're not having to worry about customers' credit cards, it's quite nice. So I'll show you ours here. So basically it gives you, you put in all these emails, like, so if it's going to expire soon, you set up some emails and it goes out, and the main thing here, or actually two things, is that it gives clients a billing history and a payment update page. So I have to blank that out too. So basically, yeah, it gives them a page that looks exactly like this, so they can download all their previous receipts, see how much they've been charged, and a payment update page. So in the emails that go out, there'll be a link, and they go to it and they update their credit card without you having to do anything. So that kind of bypasses the ThriveCart part. But yeah, this is a pretty good tool. It saved us a lot of time, just trying to sort all that kind of stuff out. So, but apparently this is all coming to ThriveCart very soon. So we're told. I know they're working on a customer portal at the moment. So yeah. Final issue that I've had with ThriveCart is probably not even relevant to you, but I'll just go over it quickly because you asked for full honesty. So we use Zapier. We've got an existing license server for our software, and the notification comes in from PayPal. We have to send it to our old license server and to ThriveCart. And because we're going through Zapier for that, they've got this whole guide of how to set Zapier up to tell ThriveCart that there's been an updated subscription in PayPal. This is specific to PayPal. And it doesn't work. Just straight up doesn't work. So every time there's a recurring bill on PayPal and it goes through Zapier to notify ThriveCart, ThriveCart does not update that subscription. So we're updating a lot of licenses manually at the moment, which is a massive pain in the ass. And I'm kind of, that's my biggest, because I was 100% they have the best support on the planet before this. And now, I mean, maybe we're the only people with this problem, which I don't know. I can't believe that because it's a PayPal recurring subscription through Zapier and they have a help page for it. So that annoys me, but they say they're going to fix it. They're hard at work at the customer page at the moment, so maybe after that's done, something will improve there. But yeah, you asked for my honest thoughts, and that's all of them. I'm going to drop the links. I'm not sure if Stunning's affiliate or not. I think it is, but I'll just drop the ThriveCart affiliate link, which bypasses this waiting list, and the Stunning link in below this video. So yeah, if you feel like flicking me affiliate sale, go for it. All right, hopefully that helps. Cheers, guys.